Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Curly Bella. I'm Shauna and I'm going to be doing a wash and go with an oil pre-poo. I have not washed my hair in a week. It's around about that time. I'm going to oil pre-poo with extra virgin olive oil and hot 6 oil. I like the way the hot 6 oil smells. I applied 2 ounces of each in an applicator bottle, which is about 4 ounces there. Separate my hair into 4 sections, as that's the normal way I do it. It is always best to do that. It just makes the hair easier to work with. You want to make sure you apply the oil and massage your scalp. I have low porosity hair. This channel will not be speaking on what we do not know. I don't have normal porosity or high porosity. My hair is low porosity, which means my cuticles on my hair is closed. I have to work with methods that will open up my hair shaft or penetrate the hair shaft to make it soft and reduce the frizz. This is what an oil pre-poo does, makes my hair softer, so this is why I'm doing this. If you cannot tell, my hair looks a little bit dry here. Okay, so we're going to just work the product in, make a big 2-strand twist. That way I can see what I'm doing in the rest of my head. And do the same for the other side. Apply the oil. Yeah, I think I got a hole in that bottle, but whatever, it's cool. Massage the scalp. Work the product in. Also, oil pre-poos are good for, getting any kind of debris, dirt, lifting up the products that you have in your hair. And you always want to smooth and detangle. You kind of want to be gentle with your hair, especially if it's dry. Tearing it and split. I don't like handling my hair too rough. It looks like it's rough because of the video being sped up, but believe me, I do not like to tear up my hair. So here we are, twisting again. Now, I definitely pay attention to the back of my hair. That area tends to get a little more tangled than I care for, so I make sure that I spend a little more time back there. I bought those clips and I don't even know why, because they don't really hold much when my hair is dry like that. You'll see that as I continue on. I think one of them pops out. I like the butterfly clamps better, which I can't find, but yeah. Yep, just smoothing and just working the oil in through my hair, massaging my scalp, twisting. Take it all out and do one big pass through before I hop in the shower. I rinse the oil out and I use my co-wash. Coming up after I do this is I will be showing you my co-wash process, which generally consists of me using a conditioner that does not have any glycerin or dimethicones in that. Glycerins and dimethicone, any kind of cones, actually coat low porosity hair, which does not allow moisture to get in, which is not what we want to do. So here we go. I'm going to show you right now. I use TREsemme with 2 ounces of conditioner and 4 to 6 ounces, actually 6 ounces of water. I actually microwave my conditioner. This is a short video. Sometimes if I have time, I'll sit under my hooded dryer and do a deep conditioning. I rinse my hair out in the shower. As you see here, my hair looks soft. I actually have leave-in here. I use the same process for co-washing as I do with my leave-in. I mix 2 ounces of leave-in, which is I am using currently Mane and Tail Soft as Can Be leave-in conditioner, the 3-in-1 Revitalize and Refresh. I apply that in the shower after I do my co-wash, and I detangle in the shower with a Denman brush. Really don't use a comb. I have combs, don't use them. But you see that with the leave-in, the hair looks really soft, moisturized, feels great as well. And I am applying my gel now. Really did not have a lot of gel left, so I was really hoping for the best when I made this video. And I'm using the smoothing method with the praying hands, and you also want to scrunch at the same time. So smoothing and scrunching gets those curls really defined. Yeah, lots of smoothing because it's defining. You want the cast to get on each strand. And I'm really getting in that gel. There's really not a lot left, so I'm really like, I'm recording this video and I don't know if I have enough gel left. Oh my gosh, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna push through. We're gonna push through. We're gonna push through here, okay? We're pushing through. We're pushing. We're smoothing. It looks like it's working. Yeah. Just keep you know, smoothing and scrunching. Smoothing and scrunching. Yeah. I usually like to just make sure I get it all in there. Get it all in there. Yep. And we're all done. And this is about an hour or 2 later as it's drying. And let me give you guys some slow-mo here. And that's my wash and go. I hope you like it. Make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.